Hi everyone, I am Joseph Cruz. I'm an Inside System Engineer at Veeam, and today we're going to talk about how you can get started with Veeam Backup for AWS and what its capabilities are. So why is there a need to back up public cloud environments in the first place? Isn't data hosted in the cloud backed up automatically? The answer is not too clear at first, and we're going to be going over this in this presentation today. Here's a simple matrix that clearly defines Amazon's shared responsibility model. As you can see, Amazon is responsible for the cloud's infrastructure. So that entails computing power, storage, database, and networking resources, along with regions, availability zones, and edge locations. You're really just thinking about the physical infrastructure of everything, while the customers are responsible for their own data, the platform, applications, identity and access management, operating systems, security configuration, that kind of stuff. So realistically, Amazon is only responsible for the infrastructure, while their customers are responsible for the data and everything that's hosted within that infrastructure. Veeam Backup for AWS allows you to back up and protect your data within the cloud. To make the idea a little less abstract, Veeam Backup for AWS is really just a lightweight Linux appliance that is deployed to back up your AWS cloud native workloads. What can Veeam Backup for AWS protect? You can protect Amazon EC2 instances, Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon Relational Database Services, and Amazon Elastic File System. We can also back up Amazon VPC, Amazon S3 and S3 Glacier buckets, along with AWS Outpost services. With Veeam Backup for AWS, you can recover workloads across accounts and regions. With Veeam Backup and Replication plugin, you can also perform on-prem restorations of EC2 machines and run them locally in a VMware or Hyper-V environment. You can also create backup copy jobs to store backed up data of EC2 instances into different locations, thus bringing you really truly portable data. Security is a hot topic issue, and with Veeam Backup for AWS, you can put your security concerns to rest. Access can be restricted via least privilege, IAM, and role-based access controls. You can also keep your backup account isolated from the production account that you are backing up, and your backups can be stored in an immutable S3 bucket so you have extra protection with your data. This diagram shows how Veeam Backup for AWS and Veeam Backup Replication can help you with your cloud native workloads. So you can see over here with the plugin, you can go ahead and grab those production workloads in AWS and either host them on site or have a copy of those backups in another environment in case something ever happened to AWS's infrastructure. So to kind of recap today, the BAS for a public cloud opportunity that you have here is you can natively back up and recover your public cloud data. You have flexible storage and restore options, and you have a lot of cost-saving abilities with the technology that the Veeam Backup for AWS can afford you. Thank you for coming. Have a great day.